How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on that. Once you're in the settings and privacy page, here you're going to find different sections. Head over to the section of Account Center. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Personal Details. Navigate to the option Account Ownership and Control. Now click on the option of Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook username. Here you're going to find two options. Check in for the option of Deactivate Account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. Click on Continue. Now click on Continue. For the security, you'll need to type in your password over here and then click on Continue. Once you type in your password over here, click on Continue, and just with that, your account will be temporarily deactivated. So this way you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.